Hi, thanks for tuning into this edition of Coffee Time. My name is Brett Keppler. I'm the broker at TREO Realtors. This week I want to tell you a little bit about how you can get free money to help you buy your next house. So every March, usually around the 1st or 2nd of March, the Federal Home Loan Bank of Ohio sets aside about $10 million, which they dole out in the form of grants to first-time buyers or second, third-time buyers who have certain income requirements or certain income limits that allows them to qualify for these grants. And you can get up to $5,000 to contribute towards your down payment or towards your closing costs when you buy your next home. So there's a few important things to note about this grant money. First, you have to make less than a certain index, and it changes per county. So there isn't a firm dollar amount. If you're wondering if you qualify, you can contact me and I can give you the chart, or I can put you in touch with a mortgage lender who can help you out. So that's one thing, is if you make too much money, you can't apply. The second thing is that you have to have the house. So you have to actually go and find the property first, then you apply for the grant along with your loan package. The money will typically run out within about 30 days, and they dole out these funds on a first-come, first-served basis. Now, here's something that's very important. A lot of different banks will advertise that they do these home loan or these grants. You can borrow up to $5,000, but there's a lot of larger banks who see that they're getting a big pile of money, and they want to spread it out amongst more customers. So there are several banks that put limits on the amount they're going to borrow, whether it's $1,500, $2,000, $2,500. Generally, the smaller banks will just give you the full $5,000. So rather than going with one of these larger institutions that put a cap on the amount that they're going to give you as part of the grant money, you may want to shop around and try to find that that lender who actually will give you the full $5,000. A few other things to just be aware of. You do have to buy in the state of Ohio. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer, which is great. Other than that, it's just a matter of finding your place and putting in your request. As we get towards the end of March, funds are probably going to run out, and then it's a matter of calling around and finding a lender who still has funds available, because they're all earmarked a certain amount of money based on the amount of volume that they do. So if you're in the market for the house, or if you're thinking about being in the market for the house, now's a great time to go out there and find that property and have the state of Ohio assist in covering your down payment or your closing costs. It's a fantastic deal. If you need some help, feel free to reach out to myself or someone on my team, and we'd be happy to help get this process started for you, so that you can not only find a great home, but also have your down payment and closing costs covered. So that's it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.